Day after, I sat with my colleague who is responsible for lands and told him that I had lease papers for people in Kong Shelby who needed to regularize their documents. No, none other than his commissioner of lands is walking through Kong Shelby with my opponent.
So obviously some bigger games to play because Willoughby has an ad with German Vega in it.
Jules, he can have an ad with anybody in it. Willoughby has the right to contest me, just like I had the right to contest Tom Morrison when I did.
However,
I am not
should support your cabinet colleague, should support an elected.
I hear that, and there is no responsibility, there is no onus to say yes, he must. Okay, but I don't think it is right that you should be undermining. You don't support, you don't support, and you have the right to that. You have the right to that. I chose who I wanted to support when I needed to support. Okay, I have that right. But I've never undermined anybody. I've never tried to.
I'm a party member, a party loyalist, and I just came over here with the Deputy Prime Minister. That was it. However, anyone interprets that, they're obligated to that opinion.
Mr. Herman Longsworth came out swinging at you and the Deputy Prime Minister yesterday. Have you heard about it? And if so, what's your response?
I forgive him. No, I never. Last night I was actually out campaigning. The rain came down and the weather. We had blackouts, but no, sir. But whatever it is, no comment, sir.
He's saying the Kong Shelby thing was really his idea. He took it to the Deputy Prime Minister, and then it was basically leaked to you so that you could claim it.
You and I aren't gullible, but for whatever that is worth, I have no knowledge of that.